Hello again everyone! This time magluluto tayo ng spinach with garlic and butter. Mahilig ako sa spinach kasi very healthy to. So ngayon, ipe-prepare na natin siya. I'll show you kung paano ko ginagawa ang fried spinach. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also watch my other videos here. And yes, one of the best and powerful vegetable ang spinach. Marami talagang benefits. Kaya one of my favorite vegetable ko to. Pak! Yes, we need our butter. Yeah. Para mabango and masarap yung ating spinach. Then, let's have our garlic. Kailangan mag-golden yung garlic na yan. The next is yung white onion natin. Very simple lang ang recipe ng spinach. At saka healthy ang spinach ha. Sa mga pasain. Bonggang spinach. And mayaman sa iron. Lagay na natin yung ating spinach. Super nice. Then, konting halo lang. And then, ready na yung ating spinach with butter and garlic. Hindi nyo na kailangan lagyan ng salt yan kasi malasa na yan. Importante dyan is yung nutrition ng ating spinach. Very easy lang. But we can do add black pepper. Lagyan natin ang black pepper. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and everything. Watch nyo pa yung iba ko pang episode dito. Marami tayong mga episode dito sa channel ko. Don't forget to watch it. Yan. Anyway, okay na. It's ready. Prepare na natin.